Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and manage mentions settings on Instagram Threads easy and quick. If you want to manage it, all you have to do first go to Instagram Threads and then click these two lines here, and after that go to privacy. Now once you're here, go to mentions, and that's it. As you see now, you can change and manage who can mention you in on Instagram Threads. It's easy. You can make it for profiles, only for profiles you follow, and you can turn it off, and you can make it for everyone, and that's it. After that, you don't have to click save or something like that. Just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. It's easy as you see here, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.